Meaning of deceptively.
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 Deceptively. Deceptively means something that gives a false impression or is misleading in appearance. It describes when something appears one way but is actually another. This can lead to misunderstandings or mistakes, as the reality differs from what it seems. For instance, a deceptively small restaurant may seem cramped from the outside but is actually spacious inside. A deceptively easy task may appear straightforward but requires significant effort and skill to accomplish. Similarly, a deceptively simple question may seem easy to answer, but requires deeper thought and consideration.